By raising Lazarus from the dead before thy passion, thou didst confirm thy universal resurrection.
It appears that in their early years, the order of St. John and the order of St. Lazarus were in fact united, and they took on separate command structures in the 1120s. When the rector of the Hospital of Jerusalem, a certain Boyan Roger, was elected master of the Hospital of St. Lazarus. Chroniclers of the period, including the Archbishop of Tyre, did not distinguish between the two orders. In fact, he grouped them together as hospitaliers. This with regards to the order's military exploits of the period. Most of the medieval chroniclers amalgamate the related actions with a sweeping description of hospitalier military action. The Order of St. Lazarus certainly used the model of Augustinian rule for its operational setup. Some historians believe that earlier, the order used the Basilian rule as its model. This use of monastic experience to govern the military orders was not simply a Lazarite development. Other knightly orders copied the Clunatic and Cistercian rules when devising the governance of the religious and military organizations. In time, monastic orders themselves would copy and replicate the experience and the radical departures from the monastic norms of the knightly orders. Both the Dominicans and the Franciscans, for example, borrowed heavily from the rules and norms of the knightly orders in the beginning of the 13th century. We are thus talking about monks who were also soldiers. Their choice of the warrior code was not accidental, like other religious who were thrown into battle specifically because their monastery came under the attack of marauders. Nor they were monks who had been soldiers in their past and who opted to beat their swords into plowshares and exchange their bloody armor for a religious habit. That period of history is full of such latter examples. Hospitalier knights came monks all freely, chose this unique calling to live a religious life which involved, as part of this Christian vocation, the necessity to go to war and, if need be, to kill their adversaries.